You take 2 bags. Thank you.
Wait, please. Another one, baby. Greedy, another one. Another one.
Another one?
Another one. Another.
Hey guys, can I get the window this time?
I want the window this time. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, you know, you're right.
It don't matter.
I just want to pour it on my phone. I'm gonna hand you my phone. Oh, that breeze.
Yeah, that shit feel good.
Feel it on my back.
Y'all hear them? Another flight, Chicago to New York. And while we almost on the way. Yeah, I think this is for a little, like 3-4 hours, I think. Yeah, we on this flight for a minute, y'all. Unfortunately, because we're going from the Midwest to the fucking East Coast, which is backwards as hell, but backwards as shit. On phone now. These seats look better than the other one. Oh, probably back to go.
Thank you.
I love when a short girl just throw our bags up like it's nothing. Hi, y'all. Welcome.
Hello.
As long as you're okay with the emergency exit.
Oh, you trying to kill us? You trying to kill us?
Why are you confused? I'm trying to go to sleep.
I'm not messing with it. Me and Grease not with it. He's crazy.
And then your backpack will go up underneath that seat.
I said I want the extra room.
What's wrong with this man? He's trying to get us killed.
Yeah, watch when that damn door get real wobbly. He gonna be hold on. He gonna be
It's okay.
My brother.
See, why don't you just switch him and get the window seat?
Yeah, you trying to get that window?
You can leave it open.
I can leave that one open. Yeah, you trying to switch me and get that window seat, man?
Hold on, girl.
Get that.
Oh shit, my shorty just hit me back.
Yeah, let me hurry up and say my goodbyes.
Alright, y'all, we on a flight. I'll update y'all when we get back, though. Stay tuned. We made it.
You gotta stretch this. We're here.
We're here. New York. We was singing the Alicia Keys song.
Alicia Keys song.
Jungle. You had the little beat.
Shout out James.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shout out the GOAT.
Yeah, shout out all of them.
Shout out the GOAT.
Oh, you were crazy. It's like 11 o'clock at night.
And they set me up.
We jumped out. We jumped out.
Oh, bro.
Back in time in an hour 40 time. So technically, we got the right time.
We made it. Y'all see?
We about to see what the hotel.
We gotta go pick up our baggage.
A little dead, so we're gonna tune in at the hotel. We're gonna try get some popping tonight. You feel me? You feel me? So stay tuned. We gotta find the gas. That's what I was recording, but cool. I mean, that's all was cool. I wasn't cool.
Oh, we gotta go up. God damn. God damn. Alright, y'all, we gonna go pick up our shit, man. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of New York's airport. Oh, look, bro, we gotta take a ticket. Bro.
Yeah, we gotta take a flick.
Bro.
We gotta take a flick.
I got the Shake Shack. He said you gotta take it for Are you taking the food there?
I'm just, hold on, let me.
Yeah, Everybody at once.
You want to hop in?
Alright, you want me to hop in?
I mean, we can take turns taking.
Hold on. Where's the phone that I'm taking a picture off of?
Everybody on regular.
Fuck that. Wait, regular. Shut up. Fuck that. Really know how we take.
Them boys get ready for a flick.
Should it be like?
Oh, this shit hard. This shit big as hell.
Like, I ain't even been to Atlanta or Miami, bro. That's what
Like, no.
I do want to go to Miami.
I got some shit to compare it to.
I thought I was gonna go to my birthday, but he's going to Puerto Rico instead.
Puerto Rico.
You trying to get Hispanic.
Yeah, he's taking up.
You were trying to be like, come on.
Bro, it was either there or Hawaii. Cause we gonna be hitting all the other places, so
Yeah.
that's the only other place to go.
That's real exotic.
And
Right.
here, I don't need to. I'm 18.
Oh, this shit spells out something. It don't? I thought I was tripping. I was like, hold up. He said.
We can take on right here. Oh, it's not bad.
Yeah, I was about to say. I was gonna say we already taking a little while. Where the fuck?
You just follow the signs, basically, bro. That gets playing with the wheels and function.
Why that be real? He niggas not for real. I just showed y'all the whole damn thing. Damn! That's a whole nother center? Oh my god! I'm glad I cut this shit rolling.
So much better than picture.
Ooh. Now we gotta go downstairs? Huh?
This shit crazy. This is like a big ass apple store.
Oh, bro. What you say?
Got the hot dog on there.
Oh, the wiener. This is hard. Look at that chandelier. I was about to say.
Please send your QR code. House forms are mandatory. It must be filled out tonight. Failure to fill them out comes with a fine of up to $10,000.
I wasn't looking. Yeah.
See it went black. Car services over this way. Hey, we about to get a lift, right?
I'm about to say, didn't you already book some shit?
No, I ain't booked nothing because I didn't know what time we was gonna be back.
Oh, okay. All right.
Because I didn't want to know.
I'm not
I see we got our shit, man. We out of here. Yeah, we'll just see what list is out there.
I wish I really had that. Like, that was gonna be good.
I would, but we ain't gonna be here that long. There's no point. I thought about it, but when we go on Cali, I'm definitely getting a rental though.
That's the crazy right now. That rental gotta have a drop. I gotta have something. I better be able to do it. Yeah, I gotta have a drop.
I didn't come here for a fucking shoot.
Yeah, you gotta have that shit. Riding off in the sunset.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all see, this is my hotel room. We're gonna start with the bathroom, man. Look at this first. Check out the shoes. Check out how good the shoes just look real quick, bruh. I really put that shit on. I could dress. It just, we don't ever be going no place, but we in New York, so I'm coming this step, but, you know what I'm saying? This is what the bathroom look like, you know what I'm saying? Room service type shit. But, yeah. We up in these joints, It's like, nah, you know, nigga wanted to take a nice little bath. You know what I'm saying? Nice little bath. But, you know, I don't take baths, you know what I'm saying? Showers, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you be needing that bath, though. But, you know what I'm saying? This is where we shall reside in, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah. And you see, got the mirror. Oh, hey, Grizz. You know what I'm saying? Got a nice bed. This is, I think this is a queen. Yeah, this is a queen. Queen bed, you know what I'm saying? Pretty big. You know what I'm saying? Another mirror, nice TV, nice little chair, nice little table so we can get some reactions done. Yes, Sirski. You already know. But let me show y'all the best, possibly the best part, you know what I'm saying, right here. You see all the, man, these buildings are huge. I don't know if it's because, like, my first time in New York or something. Like, I really don't know, bro. Oh, is that $1? That look like $1 floating around, bro. But, it's only somebody about to come through my door. The fuck? But, yeah, like, I just don't know if it's because I never really paid attention to the buildings downtown Pittsburgh, but New York's buildings, man, are so freaking huge. And maybe it's because, like, it's a small, like, it's big, but, like, their downtown is, like, together. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, bro, but it just, bro, these buildings are huge. It feel like, I don't know, man. It's just crazy. I made it, bro. Like on some movie shit. Look out, I see a taxi right there, bro. Like, bro, this is damn near worth it, bro. Even though it's late as hell. Let me show y'all what time it is right now. Let me just show y'all what time it is right now, man. On my phone. It is 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Saturday. I'm still up, but I'm honestly about to hit the sheets, but I forgot to record at the last minute, man. But we made it, guys. You know what I'm saying? I made it here. I just want to say, if you commented, you know, safe journeys, Grizz, I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't scary. I guess I could tell y'all about my little experience real quick before I get off here. It wasn't, like, scary. I'll say the only part that was bothering me, like, when my ears was popping and shit, but... And then, like, once you, like, touch the ground, and then they just go, like, dumb fast and shit, and then they just stop and shit. But other than that, it was cool. I think people definitely hyped it, telling me, like, stuff like that. If you don't know, like, one of my phobias is heights. Like, I don't like heights at all. Like, I never liked them, scared of heights. So this was a big thing for me. And I had a window seat, too. Y'all seen it. I had the window seat. But, I'm excited, man. We touched down in New York safely, thank God. You know what I'm saying? Prayers be to God, because we made it. None of this would have been possible without God, first of all. So shout out to God. But, man, we about to fuck this city up, man. I mean, me personally, they're going to be here till, like, what? They'll still have time here Monday. Me personally, I have to leave at 5 a.m. Monday to go to the airport because my flight leaves at 7. Yeah, I'll be back home a lot earlier because I got some stuff I wanted to do. And I wanted to see my family. Like, I haven't been around my sisters and stuff for a while. So as soon as I literally get back from the airport, I think I'm going to shoot over to my mom's and just go over there and just sit with my sisters and shit. So, yeah, bro, we lit, man. I appreciate, like I said, everybody, if you did say welcome, but y'all know these vlogs won't be out till we actually get back. So, you know, but this will all be one video. All these clips is going to be one video. This might be like a 20-minute video. I don't know, but appreciate the support once again, bro. And I'm about to try to get some sleep because y'all know, you know what I'm saying, I usually got to smoke, but we are out here in New York. We don't know nobody. And me personally, I'm not about to get caught down here smoking when I'm not supposed to. So your Grizz will be sober this whole trip. So y'all stay tuned, man. Big Grizz.